काफी सुंदर है।
I know, right?
इसकी स्किन बड़ी ग्लो करती है, क्या यूज करता है?
और इट्स लाइक टेलीविजन इज आवर स्कूल। तो हमने पढ़ाई तो अब कर ली है और अब हमारे जो फाइनल जॉब की बारी होती है, एक्सपोजर की बारी होती है, वो हम यहाँ पर है। एंड नाउ इट्स आवर टेस्ट। एवरी वीकेंड दे हैव either one or two films released at a theater, or one or two films released as OTT, or one or two web shows released at OTT, and then there is, apart from that, there is television. So you have so much of exposure, and then you have regional films also, regional OTT also.
This is something which often comes to us maybe through PR, and of course they keep pushing you and telling you to be there. But what I personally feel is like wherever you are, you need to be original.
Or techno moves.
You're so mean.
She pretends that
That is me.
she
Yours
knows
also.
it, but she doesn't know it.
Hello people, my name is Reema Chawda and you are watching Showreel on OTT Play. And today, for a super fun conversation, I have with me the cast of Khurshari.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Parth and Kushali, how are you doing?
We are doing awesome.
Okay, so first of all, congratulations. The trailer is finally out. The release date is finally out. And if I'm not wrong, 2022 से चल रहा है announcement से. तो इतना टाइम क्योंकि हो गया है और बीच में I'm sure बहुत सारी चीजें हुई होगी. तो आप लोगों के कभी होप्स छूटे थे कि फिल्म आएगी कि नहीं आएगी?
No, the only good part about the film and about our attitude was that we were very positive. It will see its light, and we kept ourselves very confident. And we, in fact, हम बीच में बातचीत भी होती थी हमारी फिल्म को लेकर, फ्यूचर को लेकर, और हमारा डायरेक्टर जो है, मैं इस मामले में हमारे डायरेक्टर को बहुत श्रेय देना चाहूँगा, because it's the director's conviction that he was always positive and he kept that positive attitude on the set and off the set as well. So बिनोय गांधी जो इनकी भी फर्स्ट फिल्म है, डेब्यू है, तो उन्होंने भी हमेशा अपना एक वो होता है, you are supposed to be the captain of the ship, and if you are the captain of the ship, you have to take your team, you have to take your team along with you. So that is what he pretty much maintained throughout the film, throughout the journey, and I'm sure it was difficult for him, but he pulled it off, and so yeah, I'm so proud of him, and yeah, we're looking at each other's back because उनकी first film है, मेरी first film है, so yeah.
Wonderful.
See, हर एक चीज का अपना I think एक समय होता है, जो चीज ज्यादा टाइम लेती है, I think there is something good only for it which is going to happen. I believe in that ways, and plus there have been it was a huge cast to bring them all together, match the timings. Everything takes a lot of time. So in this film as well, we had that kind of a thing going on to match dates with Aruna ji, with Ravina ma'am, with Sanjay sir. So it just I don't know, कभी-कभी होता है कि आप जो चीज़ें नहीं चाहते हो, कभी वो ऐसे stretch हो जाती है. And it did get stretched, but finally 9th August is the date, and we are very happy, very excited, and now it is like fingers crossed that people enjoy the film as much they are enjoying the trailer.
Wonderful. Okay. Parth, I'm sure a lot of people must have asked you about your transition from television to shows and films, but does it also change you as a human being? Like the whole process that sometimes you're shooting for television, sometimes for shows, and now for a film. So do you see yourself getting evolved in
Obviously,
the industry?
I'm getting evolved, but that's what confused me. You first asked me about human being,
Yeah.
and then now
Evolved
you're
as an
asking me as an
actor.
artist.
Yeah.
So yeah, as an artist, of course, you evolve, and with experience, with more and more projects you keep doing, more and more lessons you learn, and more exposure you have. And that to different sets of people. The people who are in television are very different from the people who are in films. So with me, I get such a wonderful cast to work with, and of course in television also I had a wonderful cast to work with. But yes, the treatment was different, the performances were different, and over here working hours were different. But I'm sure 12 घंटे वहाँ भी होते हैं और यहाँ भी होते हैं, तो वो भी मैंने किए हैं, and we are pretty much used to it. और it's like television is our school, तो हमने पढ़ाई तो अब कर ली है, और अब हमारे जो फाइनल जॉब की बारी होती है, एक्सपोजर की बारी होती है, वो हम यहाँ पर है, and now it's our test to withstand.
Wonderful. Kushali, you belong to a very strong and influential musical background family. But do you think that if you did not belong to this family, you would have taken something else as your profession, or you would become an actor?
No, of course, I think actor. That's been there since childhood, and I discovered that about myself when with Papa, I have done a film as a child artist. It was a religious film, and I played the main lead in it. So since then, and I was Hindi हो गया, उसकी lines मेरे को नहीं याद रहती थी. बट अभी और मेरी जो ये फिल्म थी जिसमें मैंने एज अ चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट काम किया तो बिग बिग डायलॉग्स और वो मेरे को ऐसे याद हो जाते थे
Okay.
and since then I knew this is what I want to get into so
You
yeah
like being in front of the
yes I
camera.
love being in front of the camera but it was a long journey my mom pushed me into designing so I did that I used to bunk my designing school and go to an acting school hiding from everyone
Oh, wow.
so I have done all of it and it's been a thing to convince her to let me do movies and then finally here I am with the fourth film and I'm very happy about it.
We are happy that we are going to see you.
Thank you.
Also, you guys are working with such fine actors in the film. So, do you have any such memories that you have taken with you that you want to keep with you throughout your life with this film? I'm sure काम करके तो मजा ही आया होगा.
My first day on the set,
Yeah.
and I had to shoot with Baba and my dadi, which is Aruna Irani ji.
Okay.
And with all due respect, legendary actors, and I was very conscious and anxious to work with them. How will it shape up? How will it turn? But then after working over there, because I had prepared myself so much that I was ready for anything. So the shoot went completely with ease, and once I got talking to them, it completely became memorable for me. मतलब वहाँ से एक होता है ना, फर्स्ट डे ही मेरे लिए ऐसा लगा कि मेरे लिए टेस्ट था और उसके बाद मैं पास हो गया और अब सिर्फ with flying colors ही
You have to
निकलना है
attend
पूरी
the school,
फिल्म.
that's
हाँ
it.
बस
So
तो
cute.
it was that. Yeah. So that is my fondest memory.
Okay.
Every day on set is memorable. Working with such legendary actors is always it is very special. I don't think so. Everyone gets a chance to share screen space with them, and both of us are very blessed and fortunate that we've got that we are sharing screen space with them. Everything is memorable, and I don't want to work with them again. I think अभी तक मेरे को और है. There's more of greed, I want. And with Sanju sir, तो I want कि और मेरे scenes होते जो नहीं है. So now my fingers are crossed कि I get some other project where I get to share screen space with him again.
We're manifesting that.
Yes.
Also, when we talk about Sanjay Dutt, I mean, I have been a very big fan of Sanjay Dutt, and
So am I.
I think everyone is the style
Yes,
that he has,
yes.
the walk, the talk, and everything.
Absolutely.
So I just want to know that because we don't get to see all of it, and you guys got to see it. Is he like that always? Like,
No.
is he in style and his way?
He likes to be in style. Yeah.
It's
He likes
in him. I don't even think so. He
Yeah,
has to
yeah.
put any effort. It's just in him.
and he wants to experiment.
Yeah.
That I have asked him, that I have told him that we, as grown-ups, when we were
Yeah.
in school, we used to look up to you.
Yeah.
We used to watch Musafir, Kaante.
And people used to do his acting and
yeah,
everything.
completely. So the way he used to walk, talk, everything. And he's like, oh, thank you, bro, but I keep experimenting with my looks. I want to do that. So that is what he's obviously a generation ahead when we were watching,
Yeah.
and I used to look up to. It's like he's the fashion trend for us.
Yes.
तो हमारे लिए more जो हमारे ज़माने में ऑफिस हमारे ज़माना मतलब क्या है, just तब सोशल मीडिया नहीं था.
Yeah.
तो
Not that.
It's
हाँ.
not that
Yeah.
much, yeah.
तो वैसे फैशन ट्रेंड्स नहीं थे हमको देखने के लिए रेफरेंस के तौर पे. तो हमारे लिए फैशन ट्रेंड्स यही होते थे जो फिल्मों में दिखते थे.
That is so true.
That's there.
Also, when we talk about OTT platforms, because the film is releasing on an OTT platform, I know there are you're not scared of the box office numbers, but also when we talk about viewership, because the kind of content that we are seeing, रोज कुछ नया आ जा रहा है, रोज कुछ नया आ जा रहा है, तो competition बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ चुका है OTT platforms से. But do you also think कि उस हिसाब से content creation की बहुत ज़्यादा evolve हो रहा है, और you think कि दोनों आ रहे हैं और कुछ देखे जा रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं देखे जा रहे हैं?
मुझे लगता है दोनों आ रहे हैं, कुछ देखे जा रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं देखे जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि इतना कुछ है देखने को कि ऑडियंस इज कंफ्यूज्ड.
You cannot keep it track.
हाँ, और you cannot keep a track, and audience gets this thing के subjected कि मतलब ये देखो ये देखो ये देखो. So every weekend they have either one or two films released at the theater,
Theaters,
or one or two films released at OTT,
Yeah.
or one or two web
Shows,
shows released at
yeah.
OTT, and then there is, apart from that, there is television.
True.
So you have so much of exposure, and then you have regional films also, regional OTT also.
Right. Which is also very
Which is also
good.
doing very
and
good.
You have to have watched that as
So,
well.
so the good part over here, I would feel more than the competition
Yeah.
is everyone's getting work.
Yes.
Everyone is
Yeah.
trying to explore and come up with their talents and showcase their talent. और अगर कोई platform नहीं ले रहा है ना, you can put it on YouTube. You can
That
put
is
it on
true.
YouTube, and still people will pick up from there. There are so many shows that have been picked up from YouTube,
Yeah.
and they've become a humongous hit.
Yeah, yeah.
So if your content is
It's
there,
good.
if your story is good, if your characters are good, relatable mostly, things
will find its way.
find its
Yeah.
own way. Now you don't have to wait for production houses
Yeah.
for you to get launched and all that.
To come and see you or
Yeah,
find you.
yeah, yeah.
Also, अभी जैसे आपने मुझे बोला कि ये सोशल मीडिया इतना ट्रेंडिंग पे नहीं था पहले और अब है, और अब आई थिंक एक्टर्स ऑल्सो नीड टू have a very strong presence on social media.
हाँ.
By any chance had it happened with you that आपके social media या Instagram account या इन सब चीजों की वजह से you have lost any project that your
Lost.
presence was-
Lost.
Yeah.
It's an additional value.
Yeah,
right?
it's an
Yeah,
additional.
no. But if you're not very strong on Instagram, then you
Seriously?
might lose because a few actors have said this that they have lost it because they are not very strong on social media. So does that happen?
I didn't know this. I was not aware of this.
Okay.
See, this is something which often comes to us maybe through PR, and of course they keep pushing you and telling
Yeah,
you to
yeah.
be there. But what I personally feel is like wherever you are, you need to be original. You know, if you are only, then even your social media is going to trend. Otherwise, it will
That is
not.
true.
And I just believe in doing, what I feel I'm comfortable in, and what I can relate the maximum to. So I don't follow any sort of pressure, any sort of set rule. I'm just me. Jitna hai, and I'm sure, if you are good, your work is speaking. You won't get work just by people just seeing your reels. I don't believe in that. I think your work has to speak, and once if you're able to connect to the audience through that, yeah. So I think it's like in between.
That is true. That is so true. Also, lastly, अगर आप लोगों को आगे जो भी काम करना है उसमें what is something that you are looking forward to that you want to do something like this in films?
There are so many films. There are so many
Lots.
characters. There are so many films that we relate to. कितने सारे हैं जो हमको like we want to be a part of that project, or we want to do such films. So thankfully, right now, I feel I've always been a sci-fi fan. I've always been a very like last night I watched Deadpool vs Wolverine, and so the kind of VFX or the kind of stories that they have. Somewhere I feel even films right now are registering in Bollywood or even in Tollywood South. They are making such wonderful films with great stories
Yeah.
and good VFX. So I feel our cinema is reaching somewhere to that extent where we can also be at par with them. So it is a very good time, very opening time for all of us, be it regard to stories or technology. So I'm just hoping to be a part of one sci-fi film. Yeah.
For me, and any good script, anything good, and I want to play. I said earlier also, I want to play a cop. I want to play a rock star. I want to play a lawyer. So anything nice, any good character to play comes my way, I'll be very excited.
Sweet. Okay, let's end this interview on a small segment note.
Okay.
The segment's name is Spill the Secrets of Your Co-Star. Okay. We'll go with you, Parth. Your first impression of your co-star. Of course, co-star as in Khushali and Khushali Parth. Okay. Yeah, first impression.
First impression as after meeting or before meeting?
After meeting.
After meeting. Calm, composed, professional.
Okay.
काफी सुंदर है.
I know, right?
इसकी स्किन बड़ी ग्लो करती है. क्या यूज करता है?
Okay. One thing that your co-star taught you.
One thing that my co-star taught you, disciplined life. It's better not to be rather seen outside too much and have your daily routine cycle organized.
Okay. What about you?
Dancing, like
Oh,
techno
okay.
on his birthday. His birthday was on our set, Gurjari.
Okay.
We
It was a
celebrated.
dance party.
Yes, it was a dance party, and I think that's the time at a maximum. He made me dance the maximum.
Wonderful. One thing that's funny about your co-star.
Funny. Her techno moves.
You're so mean.
She pretends that
That is me.
she
Yours
knows
also.
it, but she doesn't know it.
What about him?
It's
So you have to
funny.
be meaner.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it's funny as he keeps playing with his hair.
Arey, arey.
Oh my god.
That is
See?
personal, okay?
That was also personal.
But therefore you were getting your hair fixed.
Uh-huh.
That's why.
That's why my hair was getting curled.
Curl.
It's
I
natural,
was like, मेरे
organic.
कर लो, natural curls हो जाएंगे. I don't have to use the.
Oh, then
curls.
handmade. Handmade.
Nice. Something that irritates you about your co-star but you have never told them.
Huh?
Something that irritates you about your co-star but you have never told them.
Yeah, but I'm not.
Irritates.
Then why will I tell him right now?
I think I never told you.
Secret.
Achha,
You have to spill
tell-
secrets. No, therefore.
Tell me, I want to know.
Uh,
and there has to be something.
Not क्या बोलते हैं? I asked for a couple of things like to step out here, there, and all.
Okay.
But she's very homely person.
Okay, not
I
very
wish
outside.
that is
तो मुझे वो
irritating.
irritate होता है कि अरे यार मुझे ऐसे लोग
चलते
अच्छे
हैं ना
लगते हैं
बाहर
ना
थोड़ा।
जो एकदम बाहर चलो निकलते हैं ऐसे हो गए.
About him, what irritates, yeah. I can't think.
I know I'm perfect. It's okay.
No. There are
Now
lots
you
of
have
things.
to say something.
Yeah,
Okay.
ये झूठ बहुत बोलता है.
Okay.
You mean
Yeah. A lot of things you would. I think you do lie. A lot.
like what?
If sometimes you're not there on time or anything, and you would always, I think, cook up a story.
Play the victim card. Obviously, you were supposed to. Traffic बहुत थी मुंबई में होता है. बारिश बहुत है.
और
बहुत होती है.
हमेशा इसी को ही ट्रैफिक मिलता है.
Obviously, यार मतलब कितना traffic है यार कितना traffic
See,
है.
now also he's cribbing about it.
Yeah.
Okay, last.
Stand by it.
What is that one compliment that you want to give your co-star and that you really admire about them?
One compliment that I
Yeah.
one compliment, no matter what, where she's come from, her family, the legacy, everything, and even being a part of this industry, she hasn't taken it for granted. She works very hard, and to make a mark for herself. Yeah.
Lovely. Thank you. And for him, what should I say? He's a very sweet and a very warm person, and I would say he's coming the first time when I met him on sets of Pehle Pyar Ka Pehla Gum. For me, that was my first music video. I would say first or second, but he made me feel very nice and very comfortable over there. And he's always been a very sweet, nice, and a caring co-star. क्योंकि मैं तब first जब हमारा short था मैं उसमें गिर गई थी.
Oh.
Yeah, so he was very sweet enough to roam around to put Dettol. अब वो नहीं पता because it burns and he was trying to irritate me. I was genuinely concerned, but yeah, he's been very sweet and warm.
Lovely. Thank you so much guys
Thank
for
you.
your time
Thank
and
you.
all the best for the
Thank you.
Thank you.